Beat someone to the punch, to do something before someone else does it. 1. They decided to make an offer to buy the house, but when they did, they found that someone else had already bought it. Someone beat them to the punch. 2. Linda was going to invite him out to lunch, but he beat her to the punch. He invited her before she had a chance to ask him. Beat the bushes, to search exhaustively. 1. We'll have to beat the bushes if we wanted to find another editor as good as Arthur was. 2. I've beat the bushes trying to find the right spare part for my old car, but I haven't found it yet. Compare to, leave no stone unturned behind the 8 ball, in a difficult situation or position. 1. Barbara's parents have told her to study medicine, but she really wants to study law. How is she going to explain this to them? She's behind the 8 ball. 2. My wife wants me to hire my brother-in-law to work in my company, but I don't want to because he's very lazy. I'm behind the 8 ball on this one. Synonyms: back to the wall, in a bind/fix/jam, between the devil and the deep blue sea, between a rock and a hard place. The expression comes from the game of billiards, or pool, in which the 8 ball is always pocketed last. If one accidentally sinks the 8 ball before the others, one automatically loses the game. Trying to hit another ball that is too close to the 8 ball is seen as a risky situation.